You talk in your sleep, but I don't mind it, I feel the heat. Need you wrapped all around me, 'cause I just can't get enough of you. With every word we're saying, oh, and every step we're taking, I wanna let you know till the end of the night. I'll be waiting. It don't matter what you do till the end of the night. We can't run away, 'cause I'll be loving you till the end of the night. We can ride till the end of the night. Till the end of the night. We can ride till the end of the night. Till the end of the I can't get enough of you, but I can take this no more. I can't get enough of you, but I can take this no more. I wanna let you know till the end of the night. I'll be waiting. It don't matter what you do till the end of the night. We can run away, 'cause till the end of the night. We can ride till the end of the night. Till the end of the night. We can ride till the end of the night. Till the end of the night. We can ride till the end of the night. Till the end of the night. We can ride till the end of the night. Till the end of the night.
Look at what you've done. Stand still, falling away from me when it takes so long. Fire's out, what do you want to be? No.
Jay, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. As you guys can see, we got a special guest here in the building with us. The man, he took a bit of bribery. He also took a little bit of 2.5 mil from my brother Jason Noah to get him here on stream with us. But we've got little Jay Rizzle, the real Jay Money.
In the building. Almost said good morning, good afternoon, guys. Feels good to be back. Feels good to be back.
Good to have you back, brother. Yeah, Chad, we are just running through a last bit of things here, but we are going to start very, very shortly. So don't you worry, don't you fear. We are going to be right here. Let's just load into everything quickly. There we go. No problems here. Definitely, I think we're going to have an interesting day on the charts here, Chad. Literally had a bit of news. Things looking like they're coming alive here. I can guarantee you now some people are going to be trying to catch them falling knives. But we're going to see what happens. Basically, this morning analysis, spot on the money, Chad. Spot on. So I hope you guys literally listen to that. That's why it's important to be at the opening bell as well. But literally, as I said, spot on. Couldn't get any better than that for you guys, Chad. So again, I hope you guys made the most of that one. But we're going to basically run through everything and show you guys what happened. So let's quickly welcome everyone in. Amina, Peter, WSTO, Francois, Boss Bobby, Donnie, Dion, Quentin, Curtis, Francois, Rico, Etty, Slashy, Chadwell, Tariq, Curtis, Alian. Who else are we missing? Bevan, Isabiria. Yo, guys, you have some of you guys, your names there. Dion, Armand, Marnus, Evan, Danielle, that is everyone there. So again, I blew my account. I'm here to learn. All right, brother. I'm glad you're here to learn. Literally again this morning, as I said, I hope you guys were there, because if you were, I'm pretty sure you wouldn't have blown accounts. So let's get right into a chat to show you guys what is going on in the markets. So obviously, first thing, fundamentals. What happened? We had basically employment cost index coming out higher for the dollar strength, a 0.9, expected a 1%. We came out 1.2, so just your basic dollar strength over there. But yes, I'm not too worried about this, but basically at 3:45 you got Chicago PMI, so that we want to take note of, and then consumer confidence at 4 o'clock. So things are going to get a bit interesting later in the session as well. But if we go over to the pairs, guys, let's start with DXY. So if you look at our bias, guys, very, very clearly, we said neutral on the week, and on the day we were bullish. Purely, as I said to you guys, almost going for that wick fall if we did or not. But we did land up going forward, literally just closing it up and then continuing back to the top side. You'll see actually after we had the wick fill, it was an immediate turnaround. So that would be a little bit short, faking people out, coming right back down to get the wick fill, and then literally just taking off like a rocket. Even though we're now above Asia highs, we're also above the weekly pivot. Bunch of the R1, but now we've got the weekly pivot to hold us as a support. So I'd actually like to see this continue for the rest of the day, because this will line up with everything else we have said and forecasted for you guys. So again, we are going to be dollar strength going into this session. Over to the indice, guys. Funny enough, I did say I am bullish though, but I said to you guys we could see something like this come out. Asia highs, see Asia lows being swept. It's basically accumulated just over there, coming down for that EQ, getting back above, trying to get Asia lows again, and then the massive sell-off with the news at the S1. So we could definitely see this hold here at the S1. Once we get back above that daily pivot, I'll then look to go long and break through the range over there. But if we continue this down momentum, we can see a bit of a sell-off, but I won't be interested in the sells. Then over to US 30. Again, we were also bullish on that one. Evan, brother, please chill. We are busy. I'm busy with analysis. If you cannot chill, you will be kicked from the chat. Just give it a second, brother. We are busy here for everyone else. It's not just about you. And then I will be able to assist you, my man. Okay, so just relax with the spam in there in the chat. Please, my brother. So, alright, over now to US 30. Basically starting off with the news, as we said. The big thing for us, guys, is we keep rejecting this resistance zone over here. So we'll just take note of that there. Once we get to see the sell off, again, retesting that zone and massive sell off. But now we are testing the weekly pivot, and we can see that starting to turn around. So if anything, we can hold above here, but I'm not going to look for any entries here. Same thing. I'd like to at least see above the S1, looking for some type of support, and then if we can break the Asia lows to go further up. But then again, we have broken that. So the key thing for me is I'll probably only look for any more further sells if we can maybe trade up, retest Asia lows, and then if we start looking back under the S1, look for those sells. Other than that, I still prefer rather taking the buys. Then finally with gold, the one everyone wants to talk about. I said to you guys this morning we were bearish. So again, why did I say I was bearish? We had the big trade off this morning, closing underneath this rejection zone, not holding a support, closed underneath, had the perfect retest with a small top wick first, and then trading back downwards. Again, the news we was talking about, news being dollar strength, and literally just one way momentum. I said for me, the only time I would have looked to get in for the sells is if we got Asia lows, and if we came back below it after basically get the retest trading back, that's where I would have went to my sells. But the morning session we spoke about getting buys. For me personally, if we got above here with the closure, there you guys will see it. That was my zone. That's what we're looking for. Break above here with a closure, I would take the longs. We literally eventually got to it. I think Chris took over here somewhere, and then went break even. But for me, literally underneath the zone, couldn't enter and rejected and just continued to the downside. So that was kind of a little nice miss for us, but it saved us at the end of the day. So gold is now back at the support zone on the 4 hour. So either we're going to see now at this 2300, gold's either going to find support and turn around, or with all of this momentum we can see it bringing down with it, can definitely break through this time around and continue even lower. So we're going to see what happens, guys, but I definitely think things are going to get interesting today. So we're just going to take note of that one and see what happens here. But again, I am bearish. I just don't think we're going to get much more of a bearish move. But again, it will be a bit tricky to catch the buys. You know how I feel about catching these falling knobs. But there's everything from my side, guys. Over to my boy Jev to just show you and remind you that he can actually trade, Chad.
Okay, so on my side, guys, looking at DXY starting in the 4 hour, as you guys can see, we have the weekly pivot at this level. We had a supply zone over here. Price currently mitigated it, and you would see on top over here as well, we also have a supply. Oh, okay, supply over here and the supply zone all the way up here at the weekly open. If you flip to the 50-minute chart, you will see at the daily R1, this is where that supply zone is. Fair value gap, price is now tapping into that zone. So alternatively, initially we want to see price move down from this level, breaking below the R1 and the weekly pivot, trading back up after giving a change of character with a fair value gap or supply zone, and trading down. Alternatively, I want to see DXY tap into the fair value gap slightly above the weekly open, mitigating that supply zone, and then basically breaking back down to the downside. Then moving forward, looking at USD Swiss franc. Look, this morning we're currently in that supply zone over here. We tapped the zone over here as well. We'll see for the action based on DXY if we can get in here somewhere. I would say, okay, no, Swiss franc thrown out. USD yen also I can't take anything there. Euro USD, I want to see price basically tap at 1.06873 more or less. I took a look for some longs. We have this demand zone at this level, nice liquidity build up. We have this double bottom over here at this level, weekly open, and then also we have 0.67750 over institutional level. So it'll be nice to see price tap into this demand zone, give us some sort of pattern, and also test this trend line moving back towards the upside. Then on GU, was in this morning, hit a break even. So I'm going to set this one out. Looking at the order flow over here, it looks like price could start shifting towards the downside. I can only start looking for buys again, more or less at the weekly open or this demand zone down here. Then GJ price also ran away from me there yesterday, so nothing on the table for me here as yet, or nothing on the yen pairs in general. Okay, so moving forward, Nasdaq, I want to see price initially trade down towards this demand zone, towards the weekly S1, so I'll be bearish on the session. Alternatively, if you can have a break above this level, I want to see price trade all the way up, more or less above the weekly R1 towards 18,100. And then looking at US30, we could potentially see price push up here from this demand level at this weekly pivot, and then potentially test the supply zone before looking to go short from that level. And then last but not least, looking at gold, I'm still on this level over here, 2300. I want to see buys coming in. And that's pretty much it from my side. Oh, no wonder you're so quiet. You're busy eating. No stress.
Oh, Chad, I'm just going to do the people, but I'm just finishing my meal. Evan, I'll help you out now, brother. When I finish my meal, we'll go through it. When you get to the pay gateway, are you just not having Capitec, or are you clicking on the Visa option and then not having Capitec? Just check there.
Nolan's back to be. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. I'm not 100% yet. I'm not sure if you guys can. I feel my voice sounds weird. My chest is a bit tight. Lonnie, thank you. And then I'm struggling to say your name, but I'll refer to you in the chat, and then I'll just give you my number, then you can message me. And then I will send you some links to what you can study on our YouTube regarding order blocks. Afternoon, Sam, Rodney, Kiyash. It's great to be back, man. It's great to be back. I was supposed to be on stream yesterday, but then I fell asleep in the office, and Chris woke me up, and I was so confused. Felt like I was in a different dimension. But yeah, wasn't 100% yesterday either, but I'm back now. Kyle Bester, how was payday? The same as every day when we make profit in the market, my man. What is a payday? Evan, I'm sure Thingy is gonna hit you up. Dion, this is life of a trader, bro. When we in the streams, when we're out of session, there's nothing else to do. But I will say also, it was my first time sleeping in the office. I really tapped out. I didn't feel well. In Nas buys, I don't know. Okay, I wouldn't. Oh, it's hard for me to look for buys from here, Kiash. And the reason why I say that is because on the 15 minute we didn't have a clean closure over here. There wasn't a clear break of structure. And then with this over here as well, I still see all of this as accumulation. So we have buy side and sell side liquidity on top and bottom.
Yeah, guys, you may as well watch JV. This man sleeps on the job here at work.
Keegan.
But yeah, Chad, gonna be an interesting one today, I think. So where's my boy Evan? Evan, clicking visa but not proceeding further. All right, guys. Again, we actually spoke about this problem this morning, Jeff. I'm gonna actually put it on your screen quickly, just while I open everything up on my side.
No stress.
And then I'm gonna short Evan out here. All right, Evan. So first thing, before I even show you the next part, when you do it, you have to put your ID number in, okay? Because you're a Capitec client, it requires you for Capitec to have your ID number in there. So just make sure you put your ID number in on that first page. Then once we go through, let me just click everything here, get everything done. Let's just do this. I'm going to show you guys very, very quickly here. Alright. Okay. Yeah, there shouldn't be anything else on my screen. Alright. Evan, let's look here, brother. So if this is the page you come to, again, these are random, obviously, accounts I've just chosen, but if this is the thing, so you would obviously choose Visa, MasterCard, and then just go pay for order. We had this issue, people saying it's not coming up. And then this is the page you'll go to, and I'm guessing this is the page yours is not going to. Just clarify that one for me. But the thing about it, bro, where yours is probably going wrong. Again, the new pay gate, because it's another new pay gate, we had to open up to sort everything out. I'm taking a very good guess here. When you're doing the payment, you either do it on your computer or your laptop. Your computer or your laptop, if it's got any sort of firewall, is going to block this. Because it's a new page requesting high amounts of money. That becomes a security and fraud security issue. So if you just go try and do this, do it on your phone, I guarantee it will go through no problem, brother. So just try it on your phone, your laptop, or your computer with a firewall or any type of protective security is going to try and block this. So just go over, do it on your phone. It would be the easiest, unless you want to go just quickly unblock and do all that stuff. Yeah, as I say, just do it on your phone will be the easiest, and you'll see you'll have no problems. So I hope that will sort you out, brother. We had a few guys having that issue. Where can I buy a vault funded cap like that? It's merged, brother. They're not for sale right now. We kind of give them out. So yeah,
Gotta earn it.
It kept failing for me on Ozal and Standard Bank. Internet banking, I had to enter card. I used the virtual card option on Standard Bank app. Worked like a dream. There we go. How's the back, Keegs? Actually very good, guys. It was my L7 disc that's been giving me problems. So if everyone knows, like, had back issues, it's literally one of your very, very bottom ones. So yeah, it's better, but it's gonna be a lot of treatment. Not gonna just be something with some medicine and stuff that's gonna get better. So
Just to answer chat really quickly,
Yeah.
Jeff, will you use your funded account if you don't trade the 5 just like it says? No, chat, that is the 5 minimum trading days, so that must be a minimum of 5 days that you've traded. So to give you an example, if you pass your challenge within, let's say, 2 days, then those next 3 days that's still left, just open and close a trade with the smallest lot size possible for it to count as a trading day. That's basically it.
don't sleep on the bullish DXY. Franco, none of us are sleeping on it, brother. We literally in the analysis said DXY is bullish, so none of us are sleeping on it, bud.
And also, offense, there is alchemy on my YouTube channel. So, me and Ki, you can actually have a conversation about that. I'm not gonna upload it to YouTube anymore because I feel like everything I do for free is not valued as much. So if you miss the sessions, you miss the sessions.
Yeah, guys, everything in life's about priorities. If you want it bad enough, it will become a priority.
But yeah, guys, the chat. I know you guys have been waiting for me to say this for a long time, but we have found out what the gender is of the baby. But before I reveal what it is, let's see what you guys think it is.
Yeah, Chad, you can let him know there. But also, Evan, I don't know them, bro. Everyone else would work perfectly for them after that.
Even
I can't
have
help
you
there,
tried
bro.
using a different device maybe? If it's not working, maybe on your phone, maybe try using your PC. Maybe try using
Well,
a different.
the PC and that is the issue. That's why I'm saying you must go use a phone. But
Yeah,
he's saying
rather use a
it's-
phone.
But yeah,
Okay, boy, girl, girl, boy, girl. Okay. Een meisje met grote voeten. I just like that there's still hope for a boy, but now it's a girl. It's a girl having a girly. Mark is someone who paid attention.
based on the video you post, what video do you post? I didn't even know to see this.
Got my story? There's something I posted in regards to. Yeah, you'll see.
So what's this man on about? The thing of us trading live.
No, there's a one on there of a guy and his daughter, and then he's talking to her about the charts with the caption about.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I'm with you.
I thank you guys, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Oh, Sean, bro. Trust me. We've been putting measures into place, and, bro, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. Fuck.
Du- 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 du. All right. But let's see, Chad. We're waiting, still waiting for market open, so don't you worry. We're not missing anything as of yet. No, Keys, you should have added your bank card details for the chat. Yo, Nola, when I just was reading that now, something in my head was saying, like, did I leave my bank card details there? I was like, oh, crap. But, you guys are naughty, Chad. You guys are naughty.
So I told so Steven gelukkig is je trader. I told Ed this earlier. I was like, I have this fear. What if I can't provide one day? And then the thought was like, what do you mean, Jeff? Like, what if I go blind and I can't analyze the charts anymore? And then my income is like
Keys, how can I get access to the Discord? Motive, it's in the link in the bio, brother. Link in the bio. Broskies, is a link one can use for gaining more info on trading currency pairs. To so The trading is trading, bro. Doesn't matter if it's currency pairs, doesn't matter if it's indices, doesn't matter what it is. Trading is trading.
If it does a spread and it moves, I'll trade it.
Yo, bro, I'm just saying, guys. A page pops up saying accept invite, and then it says unable to accept. That's weird. We'll look into that, bro. But yo, Chad. All I'm gonna say though is some guys. This isn't against anyone, yeah, but yo, when I have people asking me questions about trading or funded accounts, guys, and I've got to repeat myself about 20 times, you shouldn't be trading. It's yo, some of these people, I'm like, bro, you are gonna lose a lot of money. I hate to be the guy, but you're gonna be paying me, bro.
We had an experience this morning in the office.
Yo.
Yeah, this guy comes here banging on the doors,
Another one.
and he's he's trying to make a deposit, but I'm like, bro, you can see there's my number on the window. Why don't you just message me instead of banging on the wall?
Yeah.
And banging on the window, and then he's like, no, he's trying to make a deposit and so forth. So I'm like, okay, come in. So he comes in, and he's like, okay, he needs an account. So I'm like, so how do you try to make a deposit if you don't have an account with Volt?
Yes.
And then we sit, bro, if you're watching this, no offense to you, but like, he's sitting there filling in his details. So obviously, you know, if you fill an application for yourself, most important thing that you must fill in is your name and your surname. This guy's like, what must I put here? And I'm like, bro,
By his name.
yeah, I'm like, your name, bro.
Yo. You know,
Yo.
these are the guys. I don't know, bro. If you ever saw, like, we used to laugh when like mates was read the like mathlet. Like, you used to get a mark for putting your name there, and I was like, "You joking?" And they're like, "No, like kids don't know that. They get it blank and they leave it wrong. And I'm like,
Yo.
"You joke? What?" And it just never made sense to me, bro. It's like, yo, filling out the form, name, surname. What is that?
Yeah.
Is it a trick question? That's so true, Keeks. Like, people are trying to jump the process, but some questions really show that they're not even ready to place a demo trade 100%. Yeah, guys, like I said, I'm not trying to be rude to anyone here. But yeah, like, guys, just common sense, because I'm sorry, you guys are going to lose a lot of money. As much as real chart time is, there's nothing that compares to it, but phew, I feel sorry for that wallet, bro. That wallet's going to take some abuse. MMK, yes, bull bar full margin. What? Oh. Alright. The guy that was in the office obviously didn't do Masslet. Yeah. I heard in Masslet the guys used to get marks for switching the calculator. Promise you the deposit will be gone in the first trade 100%. Bro, the best for me was where someone asked me about the prop firms and they were just saying, with the refund. And they were like, but what's the price? I'm like, the refundable fee. No, but that's a refundable fee. That's not the price. And I'm like, oh my word. And then the best part, I'm like, because if you pass, it gets refunded. If you fail, they keep it. And he goes, oh, okay. But what if they don't refund 100% of it? I'm like, bro. I don't have time for this. That's what I always say to you guys.
Yeah.
Like, I'll give Jeff credits. Like, I understand people need to get in. You have to start to get into trading. But I cannot teach a beginner. Like, if I need to teach you what a bullish and a bearish and what dovish and bullish and hawkish and oh my.
And then it's like, can you explain it again? No, I don't mind at all, you know, but
Yeah.
I'm not saying I mind, but yeah.
Shot for the help earlier, Keegs. Hey, no stress, bro. No stress. Like, for example, like James now. James asked me for help, but he can talk to me about trading. He can have a conversation. Like I always say to people, when you can't even talk like the trading lingo, how much I have a conversation with you? Because I have to use those words to explain something. And then if I can't explain it, it's like, oh, damn, well, how do I explain this to you?
Ed, I only move stuff to break even.
I feel for you guys.
So unfortunately, I'm lost out on all that profit.
You know, I'll never forget, Jeff. The best one, Chad, best one. I'm not naming names, so we're not going to embarrass the person, things like that. But the best one, and again, Chad, I've got nothing against female traders. Nothing, I promise you. But just listen to this. This chick is trading, and Jeff's teaching her. And she's demo. But eventually decides, you know what, she's killing demo. She's going to be a profitable trader. And then her logic for her becoming a profitable trader is because she's a female.
Oh.
She doesn't get emotionally attached to the trades like men do. And she can think logically. So she will be profitable. And I'm like, yo. I had no words. I'm just like, okay. All right. Nah, bro, trust me, when you guys start like helping people and teaching people, you're gonna hear some stories, eh? Yes, yes.
It's a Gerald. The video is still on.
Market is open, Chad. Round 2, fight.
I'll just drop the link here for you, Gerald, and then you can just, when the stream ends, refer to it and you can check it out.
A blue account on first day. James, I promise you, bro. I actually don't know. Jeff, I think it was the second or third day.
What's that?
That chick, when she blew her account. It was the second or third day.
Yeah, I can't remember, but I know it was in the first week.
It was in the first week. And then she hasn't ever been back.
Yeah. I actually messaged her the other day, asked her how she's doing. She told me about a boyfriend. And I was like, I'm not asking about your boyfriend. I'm asking.
It's like I'm your mentor, and I'm asking how you doing. I'm asking about trading, not like I'm gonna take you on a date. I have no words right now, guys. Trust me, it's wild out here. Other day, I was trying to explain trading to my homie that knows nothing at all, and then you start to realize how far you have come. The basics are hard to take in when you start in. But that's true, bro. That's what I'm saying to you. Like, it's not that like we're trying to be rude about it, but like, personally myself, like I say, if I couldn't even just have like a general trading conversation with you, because I'm gonna have to stop every 5 seconds to explain something, I'm just like, no. Where if I can at least just talk to you in trading knowledge, I'm happy to sit all day and chat to you. James, Ed, naughty. Hey, what did James? Ed, bro, by the way, yes, a shot for the connection with Josh, bro. That man clicked my back murder earlier.
Boss Bobby, don't even mention when you talk to someone who doesn't even trade and you explain to them what the market maker is. And then they like even more confused.
So, Alien, speaking on a refund, don't know if this is a cut question, but why do prop firms give refunds? Is it just like to say, well done, you accomplished something, here is some money?
The best way I can...
I've got a very good explanation, but I want to hear what Jeff is going to say first.
The way I see it is, think of it this way. Think of hedge funds or asset or companies that manage assets. They can't trade all their money. What do? They employ people to trade their money for them, right? Now let's think about it. We're now in an age where things are virtual, right? We have prop firms. You can now basically apply to work for a prop firm by doing an evaluation. But how do they know? You won't waste their time. You spend a small fee for that. But once you pass that challenge, you have demonstrated the fact that you can trade. So they're more than happy to give you back that fund because there's no risk actually involved in that sense.
Yeah, Jeff, sorry, bro. I'm going to cut you off here quickly because I have to answer stupid questions like this. Yeah, Dash wants to come in here and go, back there when I said that time DXY and gold move in the same direction, you guys laughed. Okay, Chad, let's just look here quickly.
Yeah.
What direction is gold going now? That's bearish, right? What direction is dollar going? That's bullish. So Yaresh, do I still prove my point here? Because you just made yourself look stupid now, bro. Like I am gonna laugh now because they're not moving the same way. Hey?
Yeah.
Like, I'm sorry, Chad. Like, really? We try to help, and then you want to come back here and prove something, but they doing exactly what I said they would do.
Yeah.
Yo, Chad. Really, guys? Like, come on.
What's worse is the man has the data in front of him also.
Oh, in his defense, he did say sometimes. But, yo. But Alian that was asking, bro. The thing is, I'm going to give you a little inside information for someone that's been in the funded game for a long time. They technically, you actually don't get a refund. And the reason being is you only get that refund when you live. Now keep in mind that's where your split comes. The fee you paid in the beginning, they've taken that, they've used that fee. That physical fee is not what's like on hold and you're going to get a refund. When you make money on your live account, the 80-20%, that 20% the first time is covering your refund. So technically, you just make more than 80% on your first payout because they're actually giving that 20% covers your refund, and then moving onwards, they make profit.
Keegan's a conspiracy theorist. That's not true.
Bro, if you think I'm lying.
Nah, it makes sense. It makes
So
sense.
technically, you have to make your refund. That's why, if you think I'm joking, if you leave that account break even, you won't get a payout, and they won't refund you. Like, let's just say if you had a million account, for example, your account was $150, and you only make $10 on that account, and now you're gonna wait for payout just to get your refund back. You won't get the refund. They won't pay
Damn.
you out. And that's a fact, guys. I promise you this. I can plan on requesting my first payout at 1%. But the thing is, your 1% will still cover it, bro. Go look at it, just do the maths. Go look at what your refundable fee is, and go look at what 1% on any account is compared to that account size. If you think I'm lying, just go look at that. But yeah, just a little one there for you guys.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
So you actually have to make your refund. If you're not profitable, that you already don't get the refund. NYC always entertaining. Yeah, Bevan. Bevan, just check. I don't know. I know Chris kept on asking you and I left, but I just want to see that I'm also clarify for the chat. Bevan, you did get your account this morning, brother. Jason, how long have you been trading for Keegs? Going on 5 years, bro. So end of this November, October will be 5 years. Use it. I think there's a global conflict for them to move the same direction. Yeah, Peter, that is spot on. Because dollar and gold are both safe havens. So that is 100% correct, Peter. A lot of the time when really serious things will happen, then geopolitical tensions, that is when dollar and gold will move together. It's a fake deal to make things seem better. It's all just PR trained, guys. It's just saying things in a certain way.
It's business.
Yeah.
It's business.
It's the same thing if you go look at a shirt. The shirt's 200 rand, but it'll be marked at 199. It's the same thing. It's just how it affects our brains. I'm changing my name to Dr. Strange since Jennifer can pronounce Iberia.
Offensive, I have traded Bitcoin in the past. When Bitcoin made its first all-time highs in 2018, I was there in buys. But then spreads got bigger and things like that, and it's like, oh, I just started moving away from it. And also the broker I used, they started messing with my leverage, and I was like, nah.
Actually, it doesn't cover it. Peter, are you sure? Or are you saying true now afterwards? I don't know if you're saying that. On that stuff at 24.80, so that thing says 24.80 cents are just a little extra that they want as profit. Yeah. Mine it wouldn't. Okay, but Peter, you'll see it will come close. End of the day, you're also not going to wait 1% a lot of the time. So it's just a lot of their business models, bro. So okay, don't quote me. They're not 100% of them are like that, but that is the business models. Still not working. Tried Xbox, laptop, and phone. Damn, Evan. Can you maybe just message support, bro? We won't be able to handle it there. As I said, that's weird. We had the same issue with a few other people, but just didn't get to that. Keeks, did you see my response?
Also maybe even make sure when you ask for the help that you attach images, like even if you like take screenshots of like as you're going through the process, so you see exactly where you get stuck.
Responded to Chris twice, but he never saw them. Okay, Bevan, awesome, bro. No, just checking, bro, that you got it then. These problems are real dogs. They can't live without them, though. Still not very. Oh, yeah. Gold, oil and gold, same moves. Is that possible? Angel, I actually can't quote you on that one. I don't trade oil. I never look at oil, so you can put them over each other, and you can then just look at each other.
In political tensions, yes.
But yeah, and Jevon trades oil, so maybe Jevon will be able to answer that for you. But I honestly can't.
King Shaq, I'm assuming you bought oil. If you got
King
smacked.
Shaq trade oil.
Yeah, he says he got burned. Oil is very flammable, bro.
Damn, bro.
Very flammable.
Keys, did you see my response? Yeah, thanks a lot, gents. Anytime, brother. How's the fam? Hope you're all good. Keys, please check out Gary Stevenson. Dude has a lot of gems. Is he a trader, bro? I've noticed if there is a problem in the Middle East, yes, yeah. Does Vault Finder have an FSP number? We do, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vault is a product of First Fintech Capital 517. I think I'm not 100% sure, but it is.
My man's doing hectic maths here right now, Chad. Jeff got the dad jokes already. Jason Nova versus DJ Coach. Who are you guys going with 5 million on the line? Offense, I hate to burst your bubble, brother, but that fight will not happen because neither of them even have the money to put it on the table. So that fight will not happen. That's why they're making it so hard, because they want the other one to foot the bill for them. But yeah, that fight won't happen, bro. I can promise you that now. Same thing that happened with our things, guys. If you go look, that's why I made it very clear the first time. So I said, I'm happy, but I know these guys will pull out. It's not going to happen. Because I don't want to be that guy sitting here afterwards going, oh, guys, I'm not going to do it because it's just no one looks really interested. And then I look like the guy pulling out. I said it from the start, and what's happened, even our boxing things off because all those clowns are pulling out. They're just doing the same thing Joe Ash and Darren did. They get the challenge. Oh, yes, this is awesome. I'll do it. And then you never hear from them again. That's it. So, no, the same thing Jason Noah and DJ, it won't happen, bro. I hate to burst your bubble. If it had to, we would be ringside right there. But, yeah, it won't happen. I literally trade only oil and gold daily. I had a beautiful entry on oil and ate a nice slip stop loss when news landed. What's in the Forex fights? Who you find he's... Oh, Jason, well, yeah, just answer that one, bro. I want Kojo and Bandile. Can you increase the volume slightly? Chad, how is the volume? Mastery Manifest. Just asking nicely, bro, because I know a lot of time you're the only one that has a problem. Not like saying it rudely, bro, but yeah, you're the only one that seems to always have an issue with the volume. So, Chad, just let me know there how the volume sounds, please.
Can you quickly put on my screen?
You are going to be live now, brother. How Chris doing in the Robins? Peter, he's not in the Robins, bro.
Speaking of oil, I want to look for some longs on oil. Actually, I entered my position on oil. I took a buy, 50 pip stop. Just manage your risk properly there, Chad. 50 pip stop on oil. TP 194. Targeting that unmitigated supply. Our zone management on this is we wouldn't want to see price break below this level. Any sort of break and closure below 102, I will scratch the trade. Nice to be back, Strobe. It's nice to be back. Nice to be back. And then we had. Oh. Okay. 1 minute candle. We'll give it 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes, yeah. Like, if this candle closes below this level, we want to see the next candle go back above that, back above this blue line. Otherwise, we scratch it.
You can do it, Jeff.
Okay, there's that closure, so 1 more minute.
You can do it. Tina Satini, hello chat and welcome back, Javisto.
Nice, man. Awesome.
Oh, I like that, Javisto.
Yeah, my cousin used to call me that. Javisto. I used to be the worst soccer player in the team.
Yeah.
I would have by luck goals when there's no one at the goal post. I would just kick that ball, and I would go Javisto. Shaq, what should we wait for?
Don is a 500k account. Now the other day it was 200k. Donnie, that man's blown up 3 times this year already. So we love Don, but it's just showing how his trading style doesn't actually work as a profitable trader. Also because he doesn't give it the time and attention it deserves like he did in the past. We love Don, so not hate on him, but it just shows you having a high RR, win rate, means nothing because the man was 68, 70 something trades in a row. He took 2 losses and blew that whole account up. 2 losses. So, yeah, that's just not a good way to trade long term. Especially as a beginner. Beginner, you can't trade that way anyway. Because some of the stops he's sitting through, cool, you guys are sitting there going, what a legend to sit through it. But you guys have already blown up. So, yeah, it's just not a realistic way to trade, in my opinion. What is it that you do that on, Jeff?
On oil.
Oh. To be fair, I want the bars on gold, so...
Yeah. And we are in the zone, so I don't want to miss out on this. That sounds like FOMO, but it's not FOMO. I'm just following my plan. Change of character, fair value gap, demand, low of the day.
You and both, I want the daily full on gold. Yeah, for me, Asia high is still untested. So Asia lows, the break, untested. Asia highs, untested. So 23.35, easy target for this thing. And I mean, if you're looking at the weekly, you've tested the support. This thing can now flip almost and go full that top wick. Like, I'm just saying, Chad. This thing could turn out to be a monster trade. Like, this thing would be massive.
Oh shit, oil.
If we get an entry, yeah, for me it's still above this zone, guys. That's where we failed at this morning. 23.17 is where I'd like to get it. We have news now at 4. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting, Chad. Gonna be an interesting one, I think. Hey, Jev's busy. He's in the corner here, guys. He's got his gloves up. The man's boxing people, yeah.
Might have to scratch now. We'll have to wait 1 more minute after this. If there's a closure, this next candle closes below this this blue line, 82.0, then I'll scratch it.
Come on, Jev, just throw that uppercut there, bro. Ah.
So I want to see this happen. Manifestation candle.
Oh. What time frame is that, bro?
1 minute.
Oh. The pain, Chad, the pain. You trade a lot on the 1 minute now lately.
Yeah, so I take my entries. Take my entries.
Hey, hold on, Chad. Wait a second. My profit screen was blue and grey. His is light blue and grey. Yet you can see his one clearly. No one's complaining about that.
What's that?
I had to change my colors on my screen because everyone was like, "Oh, Keegan, we can't tell which one's the profit and which one's the stop loss." I'll make you joking. Like, yeah, I'm in the blues.
Oh,
It's
damn.
blue.
I was just I'm gonna have to scratch it. Fuck, guys, I have to scratch it.
Bro, I don't mean to be that guy, but I don't think you scratch your engine. That thing's taking that stop.
Yeah, that's already here, so I won't scratch it just yet. I mean, that will be a dumb hit to take.
Oil on the 30-minute though. I don't know. As I said, guys, I don't trade oil. I really don't know what you guys are looking at and why. I don't know.
The only thing I will say for the ones who says my trade doesn't look good, there's been so many times on stream where you tell my trade doesn't look good and I go to profit. Yeah, so
Jeff runs on the negativity. That's what fuels the man. Evan have sent email. Perfect, brother. Keep in mind they close at 5, so support will probably stop answering you around about then, but hopefully they can sort you out before that, brother. Yeah, as I said, from our side, there's not more I can really help you with there, bro. If you still don't come right, you can even email Chris. Our IG handles are over there, top right. For you, or top right for you. Yeah, just email or DM Chris. Chris will help you out. Jeb's a monster. He might own this office one day. Ooh.
Oh,
Yo,
I didn't say it, not me.
Will's coming in aggressive, yeah.
I didn't say it, not me.
Unfortunately, Will, not in the future because the office is going under a change. And it will be a different thing. And yeah, he's not going to take ownership of that. Been stuck in Sands traffic for 2 hours to get home. Finally, yeah, Chad. Hey, Forbes, what's up, brother? Any views on gold, bro? Jev.
I wanna buy gold, but not yet. Gold is still far away from my point of interest.
Yeah, the guys don't trust me with gold. I fed them massive moves last week, but no, they still don't trust me. The Chad's like, no, Keegan, we need more, bro, before we will listen to you on gold. Let's see what happens. Yeah, yo, bro, it feels like it's actually late in the stream already, and it's only like 10 to 4.
Yeah,
This feels like it's like 4:30, like getting.
I think it's the weather. It's making it look dark in here.
They're stupid not to trust you, mate. Lol. King Shaq, bro. Hey, like King guys. So King Shaq also, like he says, only trades gold, bro. We've had some killer trades on gold, Chad, the last 2 weeks. We've been killing gold. Even my boy Alex, that trade we took with Alex as well. When the three of us were all in sync, oof, that was a monster. Key's been handing out the pips. Hey, appreciate it, brother. At least we're all going to eat together, guys. Like, that's one thing. Like, there's times, yes, you take a few ones off stream, and like things like that. Like, tomorrow, maybe FOMC in the evening if I trade it. But at least these ones, like all the big moves we've been having, we've been getting them on stream. So it's always lacquer when that happens. Bro, that trade bought my sim, lol. Did you get a sim racer, bro? Oof, Jeff.
Shit, so close. I can't scratch it because it's
No,
like.
for me, that's not point scratching. Like, either so miraculously that thing turns. Oh,
there we go. There we go. There we go.
Welcome back to New York, JV.
Oh.
You got it, boy. Guys, you
That
just had to
sucks.
have the haircut. We know our boy's fresh now. It's like that first team rugby game, bro. You get blicksomed, and now you must go perform.
Yeah.
So he just got the quick
Yeah.
welcome back. We missed you. And now you'll come back stronger.
Almost.
Remember, guys, it's always about the comeback. The comeback's always better.
With hard work and determination. Yeah, well. My baby. Let's just look for a re-entry somewhere.
We're not the same. The McGregor of Forex. Bro, that still did it for me. That was the cherry on the cake with that man stuff. Jeff, did you see that one, bro?
What's that?
Our Rocket Boys.
What did they say? Oh, we are not the same.
No. The shirts they had made.
No, what shirts?
He has a shirt that says on the back, the the McGregor of Forex. And I'm like, bro.
But they should fight in the but they should fight in the latest division.
Yeah. Keys gold, Chad is me, Chad is you, Jeff is the market maker. Hey, F1 Sim and PC landed soon. Going become a Twitch streamer, lol. Hey, bro, I just bought my new PC on Sunday. Got my new PC, so I'm loving life. So then Chris took the rag and he took the screen from under me. He is the McGregor of Forex, the McGregor that snapped his. Oh, Favs is brilliant, bro. Yo, DXY just needs to decide what to do, bro. It either needs to hold this pivot or it needs to reject the pivot. Yeah, bro. He's gonna become the phoenix, bro. We need him to rise from the ashes.
Nah, but it's usually if you honestly, this guy was on stream like 2 weeks ago.
No, it wasn't, Chris. Okay,
That was 1 week ago.
1 week ago.
1 week ago.
Yo, Chris makes it sound so extreme.
Man's getting rinsed. What did he take that? Just seeing
Oil.
oil. So maybe he tried oil.
He always said oil.
Oh, really? Okay.
So 1 win, 1 loss today.
Jayman said, Fury Aaron stops you op die stream. Huh?
It's business.
Business. The man, I told you he's the proper J money, bro.
What is going on here? What's the chat saying? Did the chat also take it? What's
Yeah.
happening here?
Nah, I doubt the chat took it. They don't trade.
How's everyone doing?
They don't trade oil.
A little nukerino.
Yo.
A little nukerino. Jeez, suck.
King Shack, bro. Just keep it. Have all of them, bro. I got my Xbox, PlayStation, PC, everything. No, I didn't get an R9.
Can only get better from here. Jay,
It's always about the comeback, bro.
it's always about the comeback, Jay. Only up from here.
We had to eliminate
Just
that.
get all those bad traits out of your system early on, and then
You know, bro, the logic was you got to set the bar, yeah? So it's easy to go above.
Yeah, exactly.
it's like an airplane. An airplane doesn't like go up in one straight line. First on the ground, up. Go.
I DM Chris on Instagram from friend Abul Majat's account. Don't you have IG that you message from a friend's account? But yeah. We'll sort that out. How you know King Shack? How you know King Shack? What date did they... Wait, what? PS Pro coming out soon though. Oh, yeah, I don't know about that. Apparently the PS Pro is meant to come out just before GTA 6 comes out because it's meant to launch to base. GTA 6 is meant to be the flagship game for the release of the PS5 Pro. So that's all I've heard, but there's no date on it. But again, that's just from what I've heard. Don't know if it's true or whatever, but yeah. Yeah, that's what I know as well. Yeah. Very, very simple, guys. This thing, as I said, this is the thing for today. Either this thing's rejecting, yeah, and gold's going up, or that thing's going to break right through and gold's going to come right down through the support zone. Are you guys streaming tomorrow? I might. We are not, brother. It's a public holiday. So we also deserve a holiday in the public. Jeff, when are you visiting Cape Town?
Only after the baby's born, not anytime soon. Unless we go to Cape Town with the office. But even so, I don't want to leave Michaela alone.
We only. I think we're looking at it, guys. Nothing's confirmed, but our next trip might be like end of June. Will be the time the G's will be on the road again. So yeah, we just have to see about that one. But then again, I think that's also like almost right before the baby's born.
Yeah.
So I don't think.
Oh,
Jeff
and we
would
got a
be-
new due date. On my birthday. That's what the doctor said.
Oh damn.
Yeah. So very excited for that.
Gold is going up now during news. Hey, Mark, let's see, brother. Let's see, brother. When is the baby due, Jeff? Oh, you answered that now. You flipped a coin, Mark. Let's see, Chad. Let's see. 30 seconds, eh? At 4 o'clock, the news comes out. Yeah, consumer confidence, 4 o'clock. Let's see, Chad. DXY still by that pivot.
The XY is gonna go up.
Yeah.
Gold's gonna push down. And then it's gonna hold fast. And then we're gonna buy gold. The market maker confirmed it. They're bound to buy. They are bound to push gold down in 1 second.
Let's see, Chad, and
There gold drops. There you go.
that was anticlimactic. that was anticlimactic.
Oh, Alien. It's the 17th of August.
What did it come out as, Chad? I'm gonna say like almost flat, basically. Oh, it came out lower, Chad. Ooh. Ooh. Gold going up. Yeah, that's actually interesting, guys. Came out lower. I thought we'd get a massive jump. Nah, Jason, it's not like a major news event, bro. So, it's nothing like that will change the game of anything, really. Alright, Chad. But listen, guys. I'm going to give you guys a little inside secret, okay? Alright, so you guys ready for this one? Just because it's month end, Chad, we've already given you guys the NFP signal for Friday. Alright, we've already given it to you guys. But what I am going to say to you guys is a little heads up, because it's not out yet, it's not anywhere. But because it's month end, we want you guys to kill NFP with us. If you go over to to Vault Funder, use the link in the bio, you go use that. You guys type in code NFP. You'll get 40% off all accounts. Any account you guys want, whatever size, dollar, rand, code NFP. For Friday, you trade it with us, you'll get 40% off, Chad. This isn't anywhere. No one else is going to know this. This is inside information for you guys. But don't say we don't help you. Don't say we didn't sort you guys out. But make the most of it, guys. Who knows? It might be going after NFP.
Temaletu, Keegan just gave you a discount. Discount code.
Yo, I'm done, Chad. I'm done. I pressed on remove marketing emails by mistake. How do I get them back from Vault Funder? I have no clue, bro. That one I can't help you with. That's something on your phone, so I can't help you with that. Yeah, there you guys go. Even King Shaq was saying, we'll sort you guys out. You guys can make the most of it. Rather change it that way, guys. Don't get caught up on the wrong side. I don't receive emails no more for notifications such as past phase 1. Please help. Moriti, I answered you, bro. I said I don't know. That is, I don't work with that stuff, so I can't help you there.
Yeah, you must also ask yourself, did you actually complete the minimum trading days? Because I was also excited when I passed, and I almost attacked Chris, saying, oh bro, I passed my phase 2, but there's no notification.
Guys, for the ones that missed when we spoke about NFP, you missed it. That's why you got to be here. That's why you support the channel. That's why you shouldn't have the TV on and then walking around doing your own thing. Go take the dogs for a walk or cooking in the kitchen. You guys need to be focused here, Chad. We gave the signal for NFP already. As I say, guys, you can't be that serious about money and making money if you can't even be dedicated just to listening to something.
Oh damn, look at oil now going up. And oh man, that sucks.
Keep giving an 8 cuck session. NFP signals full port logs. Oh, I think it was yesterday or Friday, Tio. Hey, you guys don't know. You never know. That's a joke. Please don't. Keeps putting everyone on their place today. Nah, guys. It's all love. We're just having some fun, Chad. Please don't be taking things to heart. James just thought, bro, what stream was it on so we can go back and watch it? In London. It was definitely in a London session. It was in a London session. Oh, DXY rejecting the pivot, guys. DXY rejecting. Let's see if gold can come to life here for us. Definitely ACAC session. Feels like I'm back in. Rue, Mrs. Rue, always giving us a cuck out. It didn't happen in New York since I'm here doing NYC, and London I'm sleeping. Peter, so when we have London session, because you in Mexico, hey? What is the time there? Like, is it like early in the morning? Just going through my journal. Tuesday is my worst day in the week. What is like from your obviously back testing and stuff, or not back to your journaling? London. Yep, London is 2 a.m. Oh damn, so it's like early for you, Peter. Crazy.
Yeah. Man's dedicated. Is it true, Peter, that the people in Mexico love drinking Coke?
Coke.
Yeah, like Coca-Cola. Apparently people in Mexico consume the most Coke in the world.
Keegs, you cucked me out hard a few months ago about trading on a demo account. Been trading with real money since and killing it. Starting my first proper account tomorrow. Madness. Hey, Jason. Well done, brother. Well done, my man.
Awesome stuff.
Glad to hear it. As I say, guys, sometimes it's that positive criticism. That's what people need. Today's world, everyone is just too soft and can't say the right things that need to be said. So, as I said, guys, I hope you don't ever, if we say something, maybe the little 8 cuck, don't take it too much to heart, but see the positive in it.
I've said this many times before. So, like you said now, sometimes the things you don't want to hear is the things you have to hear.
Yeah, in the country that drinks the most coke in the world. Oh damn, really?
Damn.
That's crazy. That's what I needed to hear. Peter organized some tequila. Hey, they use the real cane sugar, not the corn syrup BS. You'll be surprised the amount of times I've gone to the store for whatever and there is zero coke on the shelves. Oh my word.
Sure.
Geez, rumors are proper. The Leo never greet me, but then expecting me to hold her tea at Derby Day. Unbelievable. Yeah. Oh, the joys, bro. The joys. And Mrs. Lowe, bro. Yes. That thing hated me. When I put my ID number, it says Capitec ID must only contain numbers, letters. Any reason it does that?
Your ID number is a number. Yo, guys, like,
Chad, that wasn't me. That wasn't me.
but I've had so many guys with the same questions. Like, guys, if it says only numbers and your ID number is only numbers, what do you want to add?
Oh, Chad. Mrs. Lowe is my mom. Come on, Keegs. Hey, bro, I know it's not. She's got 2 daughters. I didn't even say anything bad about her. I said she hated me. Gold buy is getting nuked today. Y'all guys just said for me I want to buy, but I can only buy above here. So 23.17. So I hope none of you guys are just taking those buys yet. I'm dead. Straight 3 blank crows. I don't get it. But the hair inspection days were kak. Robert grabbed me by the hair and took me to the Pinot because my hair was too long. Chesses. What's the next month goal? What's the new month goal? Don't know, bro. I don't see what even end of the day what my goal would be. I don't know why that's relevant to you. Whatever my goal is not going to make you a better trader. Just asking what is a 1-to-1. 1-to-1 is risking 1% to make 1R. So you're not swinging for the fences. You get to what you're risking. So you risk 1%, you get to 1% profit, you close the trade. The Chad G's Peaches, Donia, what's up, Dave?
Quentin, you have the same problem. Just have to add the numbers.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it on your screen quickly, bro.
Oh, good. Guys, gold at the zone. Tembaletu, add your ID number there, ne? Only the ID number. Leave the error that it says there. Error, it can give you an error, but you know that you've put your ID number there. It's not your problem anymore. Either you do that or you leave it open. That is true, boss Bobby. That's very true. Okay, guys, I am just waiting here on gold. So on the 1 minute, like what we have over here, I want to just see price close above it, come back and retest it, and then I would want to look for a long. I'm not entering. Not entering. The thing is not going to be on the price, on the candle, so clearly I'm not in the trade. Just want to measure out the risk. $400 pips.
Are you gonna buy there?
Yeah.
All right. James coming here to catch the knives today.
Then my last bullet, guys.
Man already got he got his pinky cut off earlier. Now they're gonna go for the middle finger.
Okay, there's that close. If the moment price comes back here to test this 10300, test it, confirmation candle, then we'll take it.
Oh, James going for it, yeah, Chad.
I told you entering with me, Keegan.
No, bro. Yes. You want me to enter 2300? My entry area is at 2317. $17 away. I'm only gonna buy. Are you finding out that the journey begin? Hey, Edwin. Awesome. Is it Eden or Eden? Is Eden gonna be a girl? I don't want to be rude now. Eden, are you a girl? Are you a boy?
What do you identify as?
Are you a them?
Obviously a joke, Eden. Obviously a joke.
Yeah, it's just a joke, guys. But yeah, Eden, guy, lol. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay, so I was right when I said bro. Because apparently when I call a girl a bro, they get very offended quickly. Jeff going for a skin fade today. Oh. Go on, Jeff.
We're gonna get it, guys. We're
I
gonna get
am
it.
check oil. Ha, thank God I'm out.
Oil. Oh yeah, I dropped a bit.
A bit. That hit your stop loss 3 times over, bro. Yo, hey.
What video is blurry? So now, just gonna leave it at us.
Bro, the way Keek said no, bro, when Jeff asked if Keys, I know you enjoy gymming. What exercise would you recommend for weight on stomach as a rugby player? Wait, what? Oh, weight loss. Okay, now are you, okay, hold on, there's a lot going on there. Are you talking about weight loss on your stomach as a rugby player? Or you just rephrase that a bit for me, bro? Put the fork down. You are what you eat. Because honestly, guys, the best thing I can tell you now, if you actually are serious about it, so rugby is a different ball game. So you're not only just going to try to lose weight, you want to become rugby fit. So the way you're losing weight needs to be doing rugby fitness. So a lot of explosive work, hard work. That's how you're going to get rugby fit. Because remember, running around on a rugby and rugby fitness is different to anything else. The way taking hits, getting up, making hits, getting up, clean out rucks, getting up. There's a lot of energy you learn up burning in the malls, in the rucks. So you need to learn like all of that, chasing kicks, chasing that. I don't know what position you play. So yeah, you another big thing is you can't spot lose weight. So you're gonna be like, I want to lose weight on my stomach. You're gonna lose weight in general. Your stomach will follow. The big thing with your stomach is it will, as Ed said, put the fork down. It's the stomach area will in a way become very dominant on what you eat. So clean the eating up a bit while doing the fitness, and as I say, rugby fitness. So yeah, make the most out of that one, brother. Don't drink like Jay.
What do I think about silver? I'm also bullish on silver. It's just I can't trade silver because of the spread. The spread is with big man.
The video of you hitting the gym, Jev, is blurry.
Ah, that's funny, Dave. That's funny. That's funny. I thought he can ignore that, but he chose to.
Only because we still wait for my boy yet to join the gym.
Yeah, just let me move tomorrow. Just let me move tomorrow and settle this week.
Yeah, so Ruan, the thing is with the carnivore diet, bro, so when you want to lose weight, again, almost same as your keto, you're going to have high protein, low carbs, up your fat. So where carnivore diet, you obviously, a lot of your carbs are being dropped and that stuff, so that's where it will come in. Gold is a super league in Cape Town. I worked on my calories and train about twice a week and fast now and then. Yeah, fast, you don't want to be doing that, bro, not as a rugby player. Super League, what club are you at, bro? I was playing Super League when I was still there. What club are you wanting to play for? How old are you also? Are you like juniors, under 21s? Or you want to play first team? What's the goal here? If you want to play rugby, you need to make sure your bones are made from steel or expect them to be broken or fractured at some point. Calcium diet all the way. Sam, I played rugby professionally for a while, bro. There's a lot that goes into that, my man, and I definitely was not on a calcium diet. But I get what you're saying, though. I get what you're saying. I'm at the moment with Rangers. Okay, all right. But again, are you a junior? Or you want to trade for first team? What is the goal there? I know Volfund has inactivity rule, but can I buy a profit change and only do it a few months later? Jason, you can do that. The inactivity rule is 30 days. So for example, if you literally come in and join, open up 0.01, literally open and close it, just then that will count for another 30 days. So you can do that, but yeah, just make sure you at least open a trade every 30 days. 23, okay, so you still are with the no, you're not. Yeah, so you're playing opens now. Yeah, bro, as I said to you earlier, just your fitness, but your fitness in how you're doing fitness needs to be rugby training to make the most out of it. Guys, yeah, so Lilith, trust me, I'm still watching the chart show, so is Jev. I know you guys are talking about sports, but just a question, if gold breaks and closes at 23.13 area, what would be a confirmation on the bar right on the pullback? For me personally, remember, this is a support zone. So on my screen, you guys saw where Jev was looking. But on my screen, again, I still can't take anything else. It's that 23.13 is what you said, that area. You basically taking out that little low over there. If anything, you can see the low. You can see where it retested for the initial breakaway again. And you can see it was retested before it came back down. So that is a little bit of a key area if you want to look at that. But again, for me, this was the main zone where gold tried to make its comeback this morning and rejected again. So personally, as I said, I will only look for a buy above that at 23.17.5. I thought the interview rule would only kick in after your first trade. Edgar, I'm not gonna lie to you. I actually don't know about that, bro. I don't know. I don't want to say that, but I don't think it does. I think it's in general, purely because remember, the minute your account goes active, the broker is paying a fee to have that account on their servers. So the minute that account is registered, that someone has it now, and it's not just in thin air, they technically need to be paying. So that's the whole reason of an inactivity clause. So I could be wrong, but I think it's in general. It's not actually on your first trade. Part of second and first rotation, we just starting. Okay, awesome. But as I said, bro, just focus on the rugby training. So do your fitnesses in your rugby cardio. Lots of explosive works. Lots of do your Broncos. Do those things. What's the name? I don't know what your guys' fitness drills are there. Like we had some crazy stuff at Province. So I don't know what your guys' fitness drills at Rangers are. Keys, Roman's a primetime winger. Just googled you, doing vibes. Yeah, very, very similar, I actually say. Very similar style to doing for the Mava. Okay, cool. Yeah, I got you. So I'm just making notes in my journal. Thanks, Keys. No stress. I'm glad to see you journaling. So I love that. As will support and resistance. Does the comply only with 1.5 and 15-minute time frames for shot trades? No. So no, that is purely just my trading strategy. That is my trading strategy. So for me, for example, this is on the 15, but all my support areas, things like that. So you'll see like this, a main support. This is all from a 4-hour. This over here was from a 15-minute, just a normal line, because this is a major. At the end of the day, I'll delete this. This is purely for the days. I'll do something on the 15 that I can take note of. After that, I'll get rid of it. What is this song, Mara? I'll get rid of that. So, yeah, it just depends on your trading strategy, honestly. Went all there for volume on NAS, but nothing. Yo, bro. Nothing really happening on the markets, really. Keegs, where you looking to take your sells? Zach, I wanted sells up, bro. Asia lows. That's where I wanted the sells. Keegs just joined. What's your... hold on, bro. Sorry, that thing's in the way. What's your quick bias on NAS? Bro, as I said to the guys, I still would love the buys. Honestly, I would love the buys. But the 4 hours, if you start getting a break, which you did now, technically it could go very much bearish. The thing for me was I wanted to see this S1 hold. So I said to the guys, the first thing that could happen, which it did perfectly, is with the news, trade down to the S1. I didn't think the news would hold, so we would turn bullish, which we did. Trading up to either find the other daily pivot, Asia low. So basically, I wanted the pivot because I wanted to just trace the move of the news event, which obviously we did, and then held, So if this continues, I probably would then look for the sells. But I won't take the sells purely because I'd rather prefer the buys. Does that make sense, bro? Jakes, I think because it's month in, a new month candle tomorrow, NFP this week, so I think the markets are creating liquidity, especially NAS and USD. Yeah, definitely.
Geeks.
Very good point.
Geeks. Let's throw the second bullet,
Alright.
Okay, I'm long there on gold. At 2300 level. Stop is 40 pips. And this will be our management zone here on this little arrow. We don't want to see price break below this low. So any sort of closure, we close it.
Let's see what you get, bro.
And then target will be 23.21. That's actually an interesting question from Alian there. Because I saw a picture Caitlin showed me when you were in Cape Town on some sort of
Yeah.
camp thingy. Was that your plan to get so big? Or was it like after you got a little jacked, you were like, let me go all in?
No, bro. So what actually happened was so how things happened, Chad, was I actually got big for rugby. Got big for rugby, obviously fall in love with the gym, and it just escalated. And basically, I maintained. So what first happened, especially I got the province guys, you have to understand Curry Cup and age level group rugby, it's a whole different ball game. Internationals, junior box, things like that, it's a whole different ball game. Sevens rugby, like your fitness is up here, guys. It is next level stuff. So literally, I lost a lot of weight first because they made me super fit, and then I had to build on being that fit. And it was basically after I had my injury, my very bad injury at the end of 2019. Then I went and literally just started putting size on, and because of that, it was kind of after COVID. After COVID is where I made the decision I'm done with rugby, and then I still had the gym. Like I still fell in love with the gym, but now because I wasn't worried about being super fit, I could actually put on more size. And yeah, it just got bigger and bigger and carried on, if you want to say it that way. So I do love it, but yeah, it just carried on. Who you guys think Drickus needs to face next, bro? Of course, I want to see the Drickus Easy fight. No brainer. That's the fight I want to see. Jeff, where is BE for this trade?
Oh, let me just double check that. Let me not lie to you. So yeah, I would say 306, 2306. No, that's a bit far. So yeah, 2305, 90, more or less that level.
Keys, what is your recommendation for bulking in terms of diet? Just honestly, bro, eat in a surplus. Eat in a surplus, first thing. TP JVR. I hope Drickus chips Izzy's teeth. I used to be a big fan of Izzy, but I can't stand him anymore. Alien, to be fair, I do agree with you, bro. I loved Izzy, and I just feel things got very, very personal. And even though it wasn't Drickus, it got racist. It just got out of hand in the way sports is when that stuff happens. So, yeah, I also lost a bit of respect for Izzy after that. Gold could go down to 22.92. Yeah, if gold goes, it definitely can go a lot further. Play some Crash Bandicoot, bro. You're just gonna up your carbs, bro. So not like hectic, but you're gonna obviously have high protein, decent amount of protein, high carbs, low fats.
Okay, guys, I don't like the way gold is moving. Just keep an eye on it. Yeah, we might have to scratch it just in a second. And if we do scratch it, scratch it. No, don't scratch it yet. Don't scratch it yet.
Oh, Jamie's turning into one of these guys.
No. The camera didn't close it. I just noticed that. Okay, let's give it 1 more minute. As long as it doesn't close below that level, it's my only thing. It's fucking close there.
Chad, I'm just saying I'm leaving this, yeah. Like, the session's done for the day, but we're just gonna see how Jeff's trade runs, yeah. We're gonna see what my boy does, yeah. Come on, Jeff.
Come on, gold.
You can do it. Well, tons of pasta and rice do the job. If it works for you, I want to know. Need to hit muscle TP. Monthly forecast for me is downtrend lol. Yeah, bro. So I literally have my chicken and rice. I do have pasta. What I used to do is I used to have my pasta and steak. So cut my steak up and make like a steak pasta. I love that when I was bulking. We believe in you, Jev, bro. Gold on a warpath right now. Yeah.
I don't like the way gold's
we,
moving.
We said the morning, guys. Gold's bearish. Thanks for the mouse keys. Anytime, brother. Anytime. Guys, again, that's for example one that for buy point of mine at 23.17. That's the only area gold trying to go bullish, and it failed, which carried on the bearish move. So anything before that, gold didn't actually really have a good try at it. So that's why until then, this thing's still just bearish. It's just lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Do you guys have like events for meet and greets? Now that we actually are going to have one. So when we do that next event that I'm talking about when the G's on the road, we will be having a meet and greet. I shorted at 23.06. Hey, you smiling, bro.
Okay, 5-minute candle closed. Guys, I'm gonna scratch it. I'm not gonna sit through this. I'm not gonna sit through this.
Guys, I'm gonna tell you now. First target 22.89. Then the next area of business is gonna literally all the way down 21.58. This thing getting 4.
There we go. So that is my day, guys. That is my day. Sucks, but there we go. This is 11 pips. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Great management.
Yeah. Fobs, I agree with you, bro. My bulk in terms is eat pizza and chow chicken fillets on it. You
Yo,
might
look
get
at
a bit
that.
chunky, but size
Perfect
to size.
management. Perfect management.
Hey, Jeff. Bro, one guy I'm helping pass the fund account says your screenshot that he's holding bars from 23.15. I'm dead. Oh, yes, yes. Yeah, but Chad, I think that is going to be it for the session. Yeah, we got to be calling these things a bit earlier because I've got to be getting home a bit earlier lately. Obviously, the missus is in a bit of final stage of prep. So we got to get home, get to gym a lot earlier, stuff like that. But again, market
Same here,
is
guys.
doing its thing.
My ladies in the final stages of pregnancy.
But yeah, Chad, it was a good one today. Jeff giving you guys some risk management. Jeff, welcome back to NYSC,
I
brother.
feel good.
Man, had a true taste of the New York volume again. But I think, guys, as we always say, it's part of the game. So as part of it, if Jeff maybe has his 2 losses now, he's had them both in one day. That means he's only going to give you guys winners for the rest of the week.
Oh yeah.
So think of it that way. The bad is out of the way now. So other than that, guys, make sure, remember tomorrow we are not on stream chat, unfortunately. We will be on the Discord for FOMC tomorrow night, so make sure you guys can chat there. We'll chat back and forth as things are going on. But we will not have streams tomorrow, guys. So I hope if you guys are in South Africa, have a great public holiday with your family and loved ones if you do have the day off. And we're going to see you guys on Thursday back again for the opening bell and then Wall Street sessions with myself and Jeff. So other than that, guys, peace and love. Stay safe, be safe, and we'll see you on the flip side.
Check your
Cheers.
chat.
I need to leave some more I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'll lose you if I didn't